This next feature can be used when you have a large presentation and want to show it to different groups of people. For example, your presentation, you might want to show them to managers and staff. Well, your managers will want to see different things from the presentation than the staff will. This is a way of making that easy, rather than just skipping slides. It is a way of having different sub-slideshows within the main slideshow. I've got a presentation here on the screen, and I'm going to run this presentation to show you that all slides are shown. I'm just going to click through it very quickly. See all the slides there, and we just get one slide after the next until we get to the end. The content doesn't matter at this point. Okay, the point there was we run the slideshow, every slide is presented. So let's suppose that I want to show this presentation to two groups of people, managers and staff, and we're going to use custom shows. So we select slideshow and down to custom shows. No custom shows are there at the moment, so we select to create a new show and give the show a name. And then choose which of the slides we want to present in that mini show. It can be any you like, and obviously if this was for real, you'd be picking these slides appropriate to the managers. If you decide you don't want one of those slides, you can easily remove it. So there we've got some slides dedicated to just the manager, and we click on OK. So we have a mini show set up there, a custom show set up for the managers. Let's create a new one for the staff. And then again, choose which slides we want the staff to be able to see. These might be different because it might be more learner focused if this is about education, about how to run the classes perhaps. And then a question answer at the end. And OK. So we've got two shows set up there. Just close the dialog box. Now, to choose which show to deliver, we don't use the normal method. We go back into that dialog box. So it's slideshow, custom shows. Who's in today? Oh, the managers are in today. So we select the managers custom show and then the show button. Now the presentation will just have the slides in it that we pre-selected. I think there was about 5 altogether or 6. There we are. And the presentation comes to an end. So now it's the next day and the staff have come in for the presentation. So to run the presentation for them, go to custom shows, choose staff and run that show. And they get just the slides suitable for them, with perhaps all the budget data taken out of it. Looking back at the dialog box, we can see we can edit a slide if we decide that we want to add or remove slides from it. We can remove a particular show, and we can create a new show based on one that's already there. So if I were to create a new show based on the managers, I can copy it. It creates a new show for me and then edit that new one, and we'll call this assistant managers. And they don't need to see that slide, so remove that one and OK. And then we have our two shows again. That's custom shows, useful for large presentations that you want to deliver to different groups of people.